Welcome to the UES Hardware Customer Support Series. For hardware components trusted by the transportation industry, UES Hardware has got you covered. UES Hardware Trade Account customers also have access to order templates. Order templates can make regular orders quick and easy by simplifying the ordering process with a pre-saved list of products and quantities. Ensure you're logged into the site as a UES Hardware Trade Account customer. Once logged in, navigate to your selected product page. Here you can adjust purchase quantities before adding them to an order template by selecting the Add to Order Template button. You can add the selected product to an existing template or a new one. To create a new order template, simply select Create a New Template. Enter a memorable order template name before selecting Save Template and close. If you'd like to add products to an existing template, select Append to an existing template before selecting the correct template from the drop-down menu that appears. Then select Save Template and close. To access your order templates, hover over the dashboard link Order Templates on desktop or by clicking the hamburger menu on mobile. On the order template screen, you'll see a list of your saved templates. To view a specific order template, select the View button next to it. From the order template screen, you'll have the option to adjust the quantity of each product in the template or to delete the product if it's no longer required. You can also quick search and add products from within the ordered template itself by entering a product code or search term in the search box. You can also bulk add products from your order template to a current order by selecting Add All to Cart. And you can complete your purchase online.